Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy session is for the solar plexus and reclaiming your power. All you need to do to accept this healing is to nod or affirm yes. You can have eyes open, eyes closed, it doesn't matter. Acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and that this is not a replacement for Western medicine. So go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just bringing your attention to the solar plexus, just below the rib cage at the front of your body. We'll also work on the back. This is your power center. The color most associated with the solar plexus is yellow. So we're going to be working with the golden yellow ray, the sunshine, that healing energy into the solar plexus. Just bring your focus to this area. So we start to unravel what's being held in there. This is the Manipura. This is the seat of your self-esteem, your self-worth, sense of self, your ability to make decisions, center of joy, laughter. I'm calling in the qualities of confidence and clarity, your ability to make decisions, and all of the organs associated with this energy center: the stomach, the liver, the pancreas, the kidneys, the small intestines, the gallbladder. Just allowing the energy to start to activate and engage and unwind what no longer serves you, what you've been holding in this power center. Maybe you've had an impact here, physical, emotional impact, psychological impact. This is the place where you take action. Really starting to turn quickly now. We're just going to slow it down. If you feel a rush of energy, we can slow it down as it opens up. Just an infusion of joy into this center. Sparkling, magical, effervescent, bubbly, light joy into your solar plexus. Breathe that joy in here. Ooh, giddy. And as this energy center receives an infusion of joy, it also dissipates and dissolves any fear that's held in here, any kind of contraction or compaction, anything you've had to stomach or swallow. Anything you've witnessed in your life that has been disturbing to you, any kind of situations you've found yourself where you felt disempowered or put down, belittled, diminished in any way. Maybe you've been spoken to with contempt. Maybe you felt cajoled or manipulated. Just releasing any energy where you felt like you didn't have any power. Where circumstances were beyond your control. Front and back, the solar plexus being worked on here. A calibration and a balancing of these energy vortices front and back. Clearing out any debris, any detritus that you may have picked up from other people, any experiences that you've had where you were backed into a corner, you didn't have any say. Just releasing all of this now. It's diffusing, dissolving, absolving, resolving through all space and time, through all dimensions. So we're calling back the aspects of you through other lives as well, other lifetimes. Take a deep breath. And now go ahead and affirm with me that you're calling your power back, that you're calling your sense of self back. You're calling in your confidence, your self-esteem, your sense of self, your motivation, your ability to transform, transmute, alchemize anything that's been distasteful, anything that's been disturbing, any acts of violence that you've been at the mercy of or you've been witness to, just drawing those out and calling back your power here and now. Feeling a beautiful, deep, magnetic hum in the center of your solar plexus as it comes back online. Broadcasting, pulsing, transmitting your power. Here it is, folks. bring forward the ability to make conscious decisions. Every step moving forward, path guided by following the dream in your heart, with the power center active, engaged, vital, generating that motivation, generating that desire to be productive, generating that desire to make a contribution, make a difference, do your part to make the world a better place. No matter how that happens, day to day, simplest of actions, even if it's just a smile to a passing stranger, could change their life. Here you are. Thank you, my loves. Take another deep breath. Cultivate, harness, incubate, nurture, nourish